and I don't want her to know, but yeah, I crashed her dirt bike and messed it up pretty bad. Let me show you. So I broke this display, scratched up the handlebars, ripped up both the grips, and scratched the crap out of it, and I broke this rear piece off. I left it on, and somehow I was just standing here, just like this, and I accidentally kicked the throttle, and the thing just flipped right out from underneath of me. And that's what happened. I was on the concrete, but I didn't get hurt. You know what? I'm gonna start with the easier piece first. I'm gonna do this rear fairing. The only thing that sucks about this new one is it's just white. This one has some cool graphics on it, so I may try to steal the graphics off of it so I can put it onto this one. But for now, I'm just gonna replace this piece. But if you can see, if you do a wheelie, this thing will just break right off. There we go. This is the part that broke. You can kind of see it. See the big crack right there? So I probably could have plastic welded it and made it look decent. But this part I think only cost me $14. So this is the new one. There we go. Pretty easy replacement for that. It's almost as if they knew that we were gonna mess it up. Here she comes.
Hello?
Hello, welcome my live. The real Makenna. Here she is.
Seriously.
And this is where I record the entire thing for 25 minutes, all to come to the editing table to realize it was on the wrong camera. Good job. So I've already got this front cover pulled off. So now I need to get in here, and there's a couple Allen bolts underneath of there. I need to get those pulled out and then unclip this little,
A
what
few
the?
moments later.
Why am I drawing a blank? I cannot think of what that freaking thing is called. Am I having a stroke? Wire tie. Zip tie. Oh my gosh, a zip tie. Idiot. Jeez, maybe I need to get myself checked out. How do I forget what a zip tie is? It goes around, comes into the frame, and then it has a little connector inside of here, it looks like. So a hole big enough for that to go in. And then one of these connectors does nothing, and the other one's hooked up. So let's get that unhooked. All right, so these are 3mm Allen keys, and then where they bolt into the handlebars, the risers, are 5mm. That's what hold the bracket in place. So now I just gotta undo that zip tie and then get it out from inside of here. Disconnect that. Here's the cover plate. There's the inside. It's almost big enough, but I'm gonna pull these bolts off and hopefully that gets it access. So I was able to slip it out right in between there. So I took those 2 Allen bolts and then undid it. All right, so I ended up putting it on this way, backwards and kind of upside down. It seems as though it'll make it fit right in there, kind of like that. And then I'll put the cabling through here. All right, so I got it kind of mounted up here. I think it'll be good. When you're sitting down, it'll be a little bit low for me, but pretty good for her. All right, so I got the connector connected here. The wire runs up, and you got the hole there. It's perfect. It's not really long, it's perfect. All right, so this is how I got it set up. Brackets all tightened up there. So now I'm in the midst of trying to replace the grips. So this is the first grip, I got it pulled off. So when you're doing these grips, this one's the thick one that goes on your throttle side, and that's the thin one that goes on your regular handlebar side. So what you do is you take some hairspray, spray the hairspray in there, and slide it on. So now I need to take this one off. Okay, so I got everything hooked up. Now I got the handlebar grip taken off, so I'm gonna put the new grip on. Stole some hairspray from the real Makenna. Thanks to the real Makenna. So now I'm gonna use the small side first. And all I'm gonna do is just spray a little bit of hairspray on there. Should be able to slide it right on. Just like that. And so now if you're in a hurry and you want to ride the bike, what you just do is take a compressed air nozzle and just blow in there a couple times. It'll kind of blow it up and it'll just firmly grip right on there. So I'm going to leave that there and I'll do the other side. Put a little dab of hairspray in it. So we got the grips replaced, the screens replaced. I need to put this front cover back on and put the seat back on. And other than that, we're back to a real perfect bike again. Okay, now I got the grips all dried up. The hairspray is dried. Everything's working now. Only thing left to do is take her out for a spin. All right, here we go, baby. I got on sport mode. Let's see if the drone can keep up. She's good to go. Screen placement's good. It's a little low for me. I liked having it up here. You know, it is what it is. It'll work better for Makenna down here. You can see it. It works good. It's got all the different modes. So that's it. That's a good ride. Appreciate you tuning in. Have a good one.
Wow, I didn't expect that at all. I really didn't expect that.